Sometimes you're so close to finding a winning product, you can almost hear it. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down a Shopify brand that's clearing over $1 million a month selling earplugs. See what I did there? So we're going to break down their marketing. We're going to break down the overall market, some of their ads, and we're going to talk about how we could replicate this, steal this, and test products within this category to build a massive business. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The store that I'm talking about is called Loop Earplugs. And at a first glance, besides their amazing images, it doesn't look like anything too crazy. I mean, it almost looks like something you would set up on Shopify for free with one of the free themes, which you can do so with the link in the description, but do that after you're done watching this video. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on a lot of value. But this brand, as I just told you, they sell earplugs. So this is what the homepage looks like. The reason why I was on that product page is because that's actually their best selling product. So their best selling product is this black one, the Experience Plus. It's doing quite well this month. That product alone has cleared over $200,000, and that's pretty unbelievable. What I like a lot about this is, first of all, it's a tiny little product. However, it's $44 or $45. That's awesome. That's a really, really good average order value for a product like this, because this does not take a lot to ship. You could ship this very, very easily. Now, keep in mind, I'm sure that they've done a lot of things to make this product awesome beyond just their branding. They have an incredible brand, and we'll look at some of the social media that they're doing and the advertising so you can get an idea on how these big brands are making so much money and driving so much traffic. But the first step is always analyzing the site. So if you were to test a product in this category, literally just copy this, right? Keep in mind some of the things that they're doing here. They're talking a lot about the benefits of the product, but they're not getting too crazy in terms of conversion rate optimization things. They just made a very clean website. It's super easy to browse, and that's really about it. So keep that in mind. A lot of people try to have like countdown timers still, spin to win wheels and just a bunch of stuff that, to be honest, just distracts your customer from actually making the purchase. So always keep that in mind. We even saw a little bit of that with Alex Hormozi's store, where it's literally just white background, just so simple, nothing crazy going on. So if we add to cart here, they have the add to cart bar. This is a great cart right here. Great features to make your cart a little bit more fun, and to also be able to upsell your customers without really having to be super intrusive and disrupt the buying process, right? Because this isn't a pop-up or anything. It's literally just some complimentary products that you can add. Now, let's move on to the actual Facebook ads, because this is actually super important. And real quick, I do want to say, this is actually a trend that we posted in the Akemi Lab, I think, like a couple months ago. So, these guys, we posted this right in May. So this was right as summer was beginning, and we spotted this trend and posted a video that people can get inspiration from, and also the trend behind it. So it's kind of funny now to be reviewing a brand within this category that's doing so well, like literally over $1 million a month. And that's just the power of the Akemi Lab. I gotta say, it's probably one of my favorite things that I've ever built. It's an incredible community. We're posting research like that every single day. And I personally use it every day myself to get ideas for things to test on my e-commerce stores. As you see, it's really affordable right now and really easy to join. So you should definitely check it out. I'm active literally every day in there. So it would be a great way to support the channel and also advance your entrepreneurial journey. But yeah, that's basically how I found this trend. But let's actually look at the Facebook ads now. As you see, 170 different results. They are not messing around when it comes to Meta. They are going crazy. They're posting so many different ads, testing so many different things, from static images like this to really nice quality videos like this, where it's like really cool animations. This is an awesome brand, to be honest. I love how they branded it, and just like these animations look so cool. Something to keep in mind is some of their ad copy here. They talk about for ages 6 and up. So they have earplugs for kids as well. Again, this is a much bigger niche and market than you would probably ever think about just the earplugs category. So this is what I love personally. I love finding markets like this in categories that you can tap into. It's a really smart way, in my opinion, to do product research because it allows you to be able to be unique while still taking a data-driven approach. It's a very good balance. A data-driven approach, if you don't know, is basically, to me, it's basically testing things that have a higher likelihood of success. So one way to do that is to literally copy, another person's product, for example. But I think a better way to do that, it's maybe a little more difficult, but has more upward potential, is to find a category, like I just showed you, the earplug trend and market, and then find products that fit that and start testing there. But as you see, they're doing a lot for kids these days. They're actually testing a lot of different earplugs for kids and running a lot of ads to it. So that's super interesting. I think it's probably because school is coming back. And I mean, everybody has kids and nobody wants their kids' hearing to get harmed. So that's a very big benefit to keep in mind. Let's take a look at this UGC ad here. POV, you switched earplugs and it was life-changing. This is what they had before to this. Wow, this is actually a very good ad. Interchangeable ear tips. It's definitely a plus that okay. Super nice ad. This looks really, really well done. I think I actually know exactly what company made this ad, but I'm not entirely sure, so I won't share it right now. But again, join the Academy Lab if you want to talk to me about these things and also get some of this data all the time, really consistently, literally every day. That's actually how I found this store too, through the Academy Lab. Our research team posted it and posted how this was relevant to that trend that we posted in May and tied it all together. And I was like, wow, I need to make a video about this because this is actually really, really powerful. So I love what they've done with their meta ads. It's super on brand, and it's likely a very simple ad account structure. I'm guessing that they're running probably like a creative testing campaign and a scaling campaign, and that's literally it. And if we actually take a look again, this is their best seller. So if I were to test something in this category, I'd probably do something like this one since this one sells the best. And their Instagram is also really good. They're actually really building an engaged community, which we can learn a lot from. So as you see, they're posting consistent TikToks or Instagram reels, which are also TikToks, by the way. That's actually a super powerful thing right now, in my opinion, is just repurposing all of your content across all social media pages. I talk about that a lot, and you may think I sound like a broken record, but it's actually so powerful how one piece of vertical content can go viral on like 4 different platforms: Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, honestly, even Twitter now. So 5 platforms from one piece of content. Such a powerful thing. And, personally, that's why I think it's the greatest time ever to be building a brand, because of that leverage you have with content, especially if you take content seriously, which I obviously do, but you should do as well. But yeah, I mean, that's really about it for this video. Hopefully you learned something. Make sure you check out some of those links in the description. And that's about it. See ya.